Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sell Canva templates online legally step by step in 2026, so you can earn income from your designs while staying compliant with copyright rules. Selling templates is a popular way to monetize your design skills. However, it's crucial to follow Canva's licensing rules and legal requirements to avoid issues. Start by creating your templates in Canva. These could be social media posts, presentations, planners, or marketing materials. Use your own original graphics, fonts, and elements, or make sure any Canva assets you use are allowed for commercial use. Once your templates are ready, save them as a template file. Canva allows you to share templates with others using a Use as Template link. This is ideal because it protects your original design while letting buyers create their own copies. Next, choose a platform to sell your templates. Popular options include Etsy, Gumroad, Creative Market, or your own website. Make sure to clearly describe what buyers will get, including file formats, customization options, and usage rights. It's very important to include licensing information. Clarify that your templates are for personal or commercial use as per Canva's policies, and that buyers cannot resell or distribute your templates without permission. This protects both you and your clients legally. Another tip is to create a visually appealing product listing. Include mockups, example designs, and screenshots to showcase the template in use. This helps buyers understand the value and usability of your templates. Finally, deliver your templates securely. Provide download links or access instructions, and make sure customers know how to use Canva to edit their templates. Always keep a master copy for yourself in case you need to reissue it. And that's how to sell Canva templates online legally, step by step, in 2026. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.